Boom. Yeah, that's much better. Much better. And the right there, so. Kind of right there, so. Boom. Alright, so compared to what we did the last time, right? We end up clear out mission. Clear the military base. Did that shit.
Hey, give me a break at
We
there.
have not do it before. We tried it, never put it in.
Oh, you think you're tough now?
Yo! Oh my god.
Hey, baby, you don't remember me. Hey, stop touching me there.
Whoa, buddy. Oh, wait a second. Big man. I'll never thought that. I never thought that you're again, big man. Big man. Big man. Hey, big man.
Come on.
Don't talk to me like that. Go don't touch you there. What type of business are that for? Why, sir? Don't run. Hey, boy, don't run. Go in there. Oh, see him there? I'm stamina shit. I got shit stamina. Let's go.
Take this guy.
I totally did mean to do that. Go to OG look.
it's OG Low, homie, and I'ma kick a little something like this. Hey yo, when I come through, open the place, you don't want me to come with a gun in your face. I spit it harder than anybody in the world can do. That shit like sucks. Damn.
Fucking hell.
Damn, my shit was wet. Hey, what's happening, Low? Hey, Carl, what up, man? Hey, dude, you ever thought about getting a writer to help you out with this shit? Yeah, I did. But who, homie? Who? Shit. I ain't in the rap game. You know, that ain't my thing. But, we have to think about something. Man, how about if I get somebody to write something for me, only they didn't know about it? What? I think I just might have found a ghostwriter. I become the Messiah, all-nighter. Mad Dog's rhyme book from his home in the hills. Mad Dog's rhyme book? Man, you said you know, Carl. Come on, man. I'm hot like fire all night. I'll be in there, homie. I swear. Okay?
Every time all this stuff right there, carry out. Swear to God. This is not the first one.
West Coast people say they got skills to pay the bills. Yeah, skills is shit. None of y'all got hold of if you want to learn, let's go to the bones. Fresh style. On the bones.
Love the show, but I gotta be honest, you're really annoying. I mean, really annoying. We can get off here annoying you.
I'm just saying I see it.
But you ain't got no flow. You ain't got shit. Talk about the radio, man. I want music. I don't want you talking about aliens. I don't want you boasting about money all the time. Just play the records. Shut your damn mouth.
All the damn time. Now, so what if I give you paid for that? Aliens is coming. Looks like they already landed inside of your head. Have they abducted your brain, baby? Put your block on the box. That's right. Don't stop. All styles, all the terrorists, all officers, forthrightly, gonna terrorize you. There's no other alternative. Let's go, y'all. Let's get some Big Daddy King.
Stop this damn way, what you doing? Stop
out of here.
That's one to go. Okay. Okay.
It's on now, punk.
Buckler.
Hard. You call him CJ, bitch?
Yard gun, bro. I'm kind of want to kill him. I think they'll kill him. I don't know what if I just win.
You ain't gonna win this.
Alright, that's one god done, two gods done. How much more I need to get rid of? Oh, you don't plan to move from the corner, father? You don't move from the doorway? And this is an opportunity. Sure does see like one.
Your worst nightmare, fool. Give up.
tired and good. That's another empty room.
You live so bad. Tell him, you suck ass.
No, 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 no.
Go, run away.
Get the mansion, get the ram before do that. You say these weapons now. Fuck, banana gun. Banana gun. Rascal, banana gun. Banana, no gun for me. Fuck, 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 fuck. Oh, God! Oh, gun! Alright, man, I need to get some cheats. Alright, I need to go look the cheats, bro. Fuck, I need to go look the cheats. Give me a second. I need to go look the cheats. I need to look the cheats, bro. I need to look the cheat code I call me. Bumbuckler, me nah go. Yes, I am. Professional kid and yes, I am. That's some fuck that.
What's your problem now? It's me. Let's do it. Come on.
Gotta come. Before that.
You should stay at home.
Another room there. Nothing is in that room.
Limit so bad. Tanner, you suck ass.
How come the ain't is that the young man even blood clot realize I'm gonna sneak up in a room? That's crazy. Fire security gun. Fire all of them. Oh shit. First of all, can so much. No.
You in a whole lot of trouble, tough guy.
Alright. Murder time. Yeah, before me do no more fuckery, make sure say I'm fully loaded. Full clip. I'm not wasting no time. I'm not wasting time because more body, more armor. I need more armor. Shit. Yes, I am.
Right.
You're down.
Stay at home.
Oh, you've tried. Oh, even blood clot. Tried. Somebody come down the hall. No. Come on, man, what to do?
Busting on food.
Kill me there. The last one, like. I'm not leave you without killing him, man. You know what? All of them off our board.
You fool.
Oh, mud. Very satisfying stuff, I'm not gonna lie.
Ooh.
That's good. How did that happen? How did that happen? I'm supposed to go good. I'm supposed to go dumb. I'm not good. Go. Alright, I'll go this one. Let's go. Wait. Where was the gun? Oh, wait, gun. Number clock, you know, fuck that. I hear you really ignorant right now.
Oh my God! If this is what cowboys listen to, no wonder they invented the electric guitar. Heroes!
Look at this again, style over there. Look at some. Oh, some like. Ah, fuck man, I'm leaving friends in a bad man. Why do you listen?
I will let you try.
The same way, it's the same way you. This is some shitty garbage, man. Look at that! What the fuck? Alright.
Hey, Loke, I got what you want. Oh, you ice cold, dude. Hey, I'll catch you later. Peace, homie.
Alright, that's all one mission done. Big smoke. I'm gonna check sweet. I continue with yeah. For now. Okay.
Off the hook! Hey, yo, fool! Come on, then.
What is on my frame, dude? My frames are so stupid, right? Jesus Christ, man. I think big smoke. Fuck it. Them say me never mark big smoke already. Yeah. So, the fuck? Ah. Yeah. I wanna know what was my fault. I'm very tired. Why would you jump into a movie? You deserve it. You had that shit coming.
It ain't easy raising 9 kids, especially when the hours all work. Kids, if you're listening, leave your sister Ellie alone. She's going through a natural transition into womanhood. I would love to know, Merle Haggard, so next time some man on the street tries to steal my car or yells a suggestive comment, I can call Merle to take care of business. You ever had a can of whoop ass on you? Send me, Merle.
Always want you.
Yeah, much better. Can't change it. Fuck that, bro.
Gardening with Maurice.
What's happening?
Don't try to hit me up with that ghetto boy.
Officer Tenpenny, how you get my number?
Wait in the means, piece of shit. You been trying to avoid me?
Not real.
No, sir. I just been busy, that's all.
You're not busy unless you're doing something for us, you understand?
Yeah. Loud and clear.
Nice to hear, Carl. Call in to the donut place in the middle of the market. We need to talk.
I done some Africa now. I forgot this piece of shit right now. So far that the blood clot there. You know, fuck 10 penny. Fuck 10 penny. I come from the bottom of my heart. Fuck 10 penny.
Hey, CJ! Baby, what's up, man?
What's happening, Smoke?
Chillin'? Wanna go for a ride?
Yeah.
You drive.
Alright.
We going downtown.
This better not be another cop here, man.
No, man, this is strictly for the home. I gotta be honest with you, CJ. We could be getting into some heavy shit.
What you into, Smoke?
A lot of shit about to go down, Paul. Families coming back from all the pushing places. Russian has got nothing to lose about the other hand. Russian? Yeah, you go fix it. All my life, I've been told to get Russian. But I ain't never seen that. Then all come down, we all supposed to free. 5 minutes later, my cousin just laid out like a Russian fresh off the boat. Look, Cole, before I walk in there, I just need to know you down with this shit, man.
Look, Smoke, we go way back. We grows, man.
That's what I'm talking about. That's my dog. Hey, look, if you hear shit start to pop off, come in here blasting, all right?
I'm down, dog. Hey, baby, want company?
Motherfuckers!
No matter what, with Big Smoke, always some form of fuckery start,
Get
brother.
in here. Oh, there you are. Yo, cover that glass in my phone. I stole food. Yeah, I think they pissed. CJ, take the right and come back. Okay. CJ, we out of here, baby. Stick real close, Carl. Ass down the ass.
You and your friend.
Homie, you ice cold, baby.
I'm gonna shoot smoke.
Time to return the favor, baby. Get on.
I'm gonna shoot smoke. I sure did like that. I'm not gonna kill myself.
Hey, I was on the fight, shit, man, they coming forth in a truck. Pop it. Get out of the way. Six, smash it, smoke. Ah, smoke, no! Oh, they hit a butt. I'll never get public transportation again. Damn! Oh, Smoke, you have to organize. There's something you ain't telling me, man. All I know is you don't listen to us right now. Hold on, I got IT. Smoke, what you thinking? Flood control is a dead end, man. The hell with that. We had to lose those cars. Don't worry about that. I know a way out up past Grove Street. Oh, man.
I'm gonna change weapon, bro. What the fuck? Yo, brother! What's up? You're trying to say yourself, bro?
Shit, how the truck found us again? Man, stop being so negative. Yeah, who negative now, bitch? Point taken. I'll keep my mouth shut from now on. Oh, man, the car found the way. Hold on! Get up that way, Smoke! We still got fights on us, man! Go around him, man!
Can't change the weapon, bro.
We still got company.
Man, we better split up.
I'll take it another block and dump it. Man, that was some crazy shit back there.
Yeah, for sure. Listen, we can't hang around here. I'll see you later, homie.
Much love, baby.
What the fuck, bro? Never supposed to even come out of my shot there alive, bro. I don't know how Smoke even survived that. I missed like 99% I shot them, like, that's it. I missed all I shot them for that. Alright, so, go check 10 penny.
I told him, chill out.
Check 10 penny. I'm the previous OG are going with. I'm not supposed to go check Bumbo Clot all 10 penny. You know, 10 penny can go suck your mother, you know.
I'm here for something different.
Alright, what's the big?
What about nuts?
Oh God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Have mercy! God have mercy! Alright, pretty good. Everybody rich. Cancel. Hey. Okay, look nice in the world.
Just some white.
From cow poking to cow tipping, and all the fun in between. Heroes.
I should play some more of my downstairs harmonica talents. Pardon me. Woo! It feels so good when there's a harmonica in your hands. Woohoo!
Finally reached after all of that.
Hey, Carl Johnson, CJ. Come on over here, son. Move over. Let him sit down, asshole.
What time now? 12 minutes after 9.
So you finally found time to drop by.
Man, I've been busy. I've been burying my moms, man.
Sounds like a fucking excuse to me.
Officer Pulaski thinks you're trying to screw with us, Carl. Now you get this straight. We own you. You're ours. We can shit on you from such a height, you'll think God himself has crapped on you. You understand?
You better fucking understand.
Yeah, you better have. Time to go to work, CJ, and earn your freedom. There's a guy holed up across town. You got that address, Pulaski? Another gang-banging, drug-pushing, cop-killing bitch just like you. We don't like him, and he don't like us. Now you make sure he never leaves the neighborhood, not even in a box. Get the fuck out of here.
Alright, they must have upon a hit. Killing time.
I remember all of it. Do I cheat to you?
What's poppin'?
How's it going?
Man, I got some Northern Lights straight from Canada.
I always make time for that kind of thing.
Hey, you been to that Bronco shop?
Gentlemen, not with the hours I work. You hear this on the radio? Don't tell me they didn't check me in.
I have to beef up myself before I go sub and fight them. Cause ain't no way them take on my gun them. What the fuck?
You don't know who I am?
Yo, CJ, why you on them so late? Fuck.
Please! Somebody! Anybody! Help!
That's bad. After my one no no to go kill somebody. That's crazy. No, I'm not dead, sir. Not dead, sir. Not dead, sir. What the fuck am I reaching? How you telling me? How the fuck am I reaching? What's that? Where is the stairs, bro? Okay.
You there? You okay?
Yeah, but I'm safe! It's too hot! I'm scared!
Hold on, there's probably a fire extinguisher in the kitchen. Stand back!
Put it out! Put it out! Oh, God, I'm so scared! What was that? What was that?
Hey, the building's starting to collapse. We gotta get out of here fast.
Shit! Shit! Our house is collapsing!
Hold on, we nearly there.
Quickly! Quickly!
Ah. That's the girl. She's behind me. What the fuck today?
You give me that grip.
No. Look for her now. Get it. Oh, okay.
Hey man, I owe you my life.
Oh, Ross.
I was nearly dead there for sure.
Hey, you look pretty shook up, girl. You want me to take you home?
Yeah, please, thanks.
Just love that record from London, Ireland. Sometimes you just
Where you live?
Just off Grove Street.
No shit. What you doing in Vargo's here?
I like to live dangerously. It's DJ, right?
Yeah, how you know me?
Everybody in the Grove knows you and your brother. I thought you'd run away.
I never ran away, okay? I just needed to get away from shit.
Getting 3 hours, 7 hours, then you can get a little someone
This is my place here.
What's your name?
Denise Robinson. Give me a call sometime. We should go out or something.
Yeah, I like that.
There's something to do to what in a minute. Alright, movie.
Okay, I'll catch you later, CJ.
Yeah, movie. Yeah, tough. Interesting. You know, sweet can't sweet the right this is so. I got the sweet. OG can't wait. I can't bother.
More line, out the He let you out the hospital.
I know, man. I left on that at the moment, man. I left on that, bro. Nah, fuck that. Bump that, bro.
I'm tired of you not listening to me, girl.
I'm tired of you acting like you own me. I can see who I want to see.
It just ain't right you seeing some cello motherfucker.
Oh, what? A no-good, narrow-minded, hypocrite gangbanger telling me what is right and what is wrong? Let me guess, sweet. Senseless killing right, but a boyfriend from the south side wrong?
Some things ain't just meant to happen. I mean, what if y'all have kids? Leroy Hernandez? That don't sound
His
good,
name
girl.
ain't Hernandez.
Well, Leroy Lopez then.
Lopez, either you racist fuck. That ain't how moms raised us.
I ain't racist, I just know how they feel about you. Look at you. He's just like a hooker.
Oh, and I guess you two would know what a hooker look like, huh?
You say it like it's a bad thing.
Shut up, Carl. I'm just trying to protect you.
For what? So I can date one of your mindless friends? I don't think so.
Don't say a word, Carl. Just follow your sister before you see another dead sibling. Then you know exactly what my problem is. She's meeting him at some Cholo car club.
Isn't it Cholo? Where you get Cello from that, bro? Hey, bro. What the fuck is your niggas on, man? Where you get Cello from Cholo? That's everything me have a house right now. Low rider.
So you must be Sweet's bro, huh? He phoned ahead, said you might be looking for a car that bounces. Well, I owe him big from way back, so here, this should do the trick. Custom Springs, see you hopping all the way home. Try it out. Very popular with essays. They compete in these things. You can usually find them over by Unity Station. If you ever want to mod your ride, come back anytime, man.
Hey! He's got a gun!
Someone's
breaking into your home. What do you do? Call 911? It takes the police an average of 35 minutes to respond to a 911 call. In that time, a burglar could have his way with your wife, smoke a cigarette, flip her over, and go in for seconds. Don't let the worst happen to you. It is vital that you protect yourself. Do it the patriotic way.
That's right. Ammunition has all the equipment you need to protect your family from the evils of a liberal society. Fixed, mounted, and shoulder-held submachine guns, mortars, surface-to-air, and all manner of beating units. Just into selling a Gulf War, pink and blue tracer bullets so you can protect your family in the dark. Start the week off right on Make My Day Mondays with 2 for 1 on Main Strafe and Kill Landmine. Got Gulf War syndrome? Get $10 off on my rental. Hey, if you love your family, prove it with a gun. Ammunition, protecting your rights.
Back to the mod shop. I need to go back to
Why don't you guys stop reproducing?
You motherfucking fool!
Oh, God.
If you're over 30, turn off the radio right now. You might find this a little disturbing. It's rock and roll, but not as you know it. It doesn't suck ass. The old rock and roll would have. These drugs kicking soon. The tracer's that, and if it doesn't happen soon, I'm gonna need to get my money back. Other people keep harassing me. Asking me about the news this today and the rock of today. What I tell them is 3 days. No, and then I get drunk. Finding something to say between sides that's meaningful, it's a gift.
Right here. I don't care
Oh
about your
God,
bullshit.
oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Oh God, oh God, alright. Okay. Okay, you know, that's it. That's it from me. I'm not gonna play anymore. No. I'm done for now. Done for now. Till next time, guys. Oh God.